Hello guys, let's open what I've got. I just got this doll and I was so obsessed with doll because when I was a kid I used to play dolls, but when I just wait, oh my gosh, we just came here to another country and I don't have my dolls, so I just tasted them. But now you had me back again, baby. And now what the next thing that I want to get is blind box. A blind box. Opening it in 3. We do this again in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Let's see. Yeah, and we can also get off her shoe. And maybe we can, we can get this. Oh, maybe no. It's a no. You cannot remove the dress. By the way, I hope she had a friend, one friend. Yeah. So by the way guys, when I always make videos, I always should upload nails first. So it's my video, it's not boring. That's why I show up this one. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, baga kaput.